Good morning, children. We have completed first semester exam 2020-21 standard UKG, that is senior KG. So I will solve the paper now. So just have and concentrate. The first question is with the answer. Question with the answer I will solve here. Write capital and small letters A to Z. A to Z. So write here. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, okay, capital Y, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Yes, have you all wrote in this way only, no? Okay. So this is of 8 marks. This is of 8 marks. Now, color each picture and write its name. This is the hut and this is the cup. You have to color it and write what it is. This is cup. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. And this is hut. H-U-T. Hut. This is of 2 marks. Okay. Now, turn the page. Question number 1 and question number 2 I have solved already. Now, question number 3, that is match the sentences with the picture one has been done for you. That is match. You have to match and write. Okay, the first one is done for you. That is a cat and a rat. A cat and a rat. The second one is a pen and a hen. Where it is a pen and a hen. See here, this way you have to do it. Then the third one is a pin and a tin. Pin where it is, see this is pin and this is tin. This way you have to do it. Then a mug and a jug. Yes, can you see the mug and a jug? Yes, mug and a jug. Then a dog and a log. Dog and a log. Dog is there, log is here. This is of 5 marks. You will get here 5 marks. Look at the question number 4. Look at the picture and write this or that. Write this or that. Okay. Then see here what you will write here now. That. It is far away from you, no? T-H-A-T. That is a well. Then this. It is near, no? T-H-I-S, this. This also you write. this. This is a tap. This is a tap. This is a dog. Now see here. That. T-H-A-T. That is a chick. No. Now see here. This. T-H-I-S. This is an ant. That again. See here. That. T-H-A-T. That is an elephant. That is an elephant. Then here T-H-A-T. That is a doll. Again here this is a book. T-H-I-S. This is a see here. This is a book. Have you got it? Have you wrote, no children? Question number 5, that is fill in the blanks with a or an. This is of 2.5 marks. That is dash orange dash ball. Dash orange dash ball. I am dash child. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Then, so see here, fill with a or an. They have given, no? So here an orange, a ball, Then I am a child. Then dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple. An apple. This is your take. T-A-K-E. I take an umbrella. An umbrella to school. The dog has a tail. The dog has a tail. Now, singular, plural. Boy, boys. Tap, taps. Pen, pens. Cow, cows. Dog, dogs. Only you have to put SS. Only SS everywhere. Same spelling will come. Only S you have to put. This is of 2.5 mark. And now see here. Pairs we have to make the pairs. Okay. A spoon and a fork. F-O-R-K. Fork. Then a table and a chair. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Then shoes and socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. Then bat, a bat. Bat and a ball. Then the sun, S-U-N, sun, and the moon. This is of 2.5 marks. And now F plus U plus N. Question number 8. Join the following letters to make words. F plus U plus N. That is here. F-U-N. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. Then M-A-N. Man. See here. M-A-N. Man. Then F plus A plus N. That is F-A-N. Fan. N-I-B. Nib. N plus I plus B. That is N-I-B. Nib. B plus I plus N. That is bin. B-I-N. Bin. In this way you have to solve. This is also of 2.5 marks already back I have written. Write a rhyming word for each of the following. Rhyming word. Man, you must write here. This is fan. F-A-N. Box, this is fox. F-O-X. Sun, this is bun. B-U-N. Bun. Cat, this is rat. R-A-T. Rat. Red, this is bed. B-D. In this way you have to solve. Question number 9. Rhyming words. Write rhyming word for each of the following. What we have written. Odd. Question number 10. Odd one out. Odd one out. So, pin. This is pin, bin, tin. This one is out. And in this one, cat, bat, leg, hat. This one is out. Odd one out. Okay. Now see it. Fox. This is fox, ox, box. This one is out. That is long. 10, hen, pen. What is out? What is out? Dog, dog, sun, bun, run. And this one is out in this. That is dog is out. Sun, bun, run. Rhyming words. These are the rhyming words which we have to keep, and the odd one is out. Okay. Thank you, children.